What you making for dinner, girl? You don't know. Let me show you how to make these stuffed bell peppers. These stuffed bell peppers were so good and easy to make, and not to mention, all three of my kids like them, and that is a very rare occurrence for my house. So I will definitely be making these more often. I chose red and green bell peppers, but it really doesn't matter the color because not for nothing, they all taste the same. Here I am just sprinkling some vegetable oil, some salt, and some pepper over the bell peppers that I have previously washed, halved, and de-seeded. After I put the salt and pepper on them, the only thing that I did was pop them in the oven, 350 degrees, for about 15 to 20 minutes just to soften them up a little bit. While I have them in the oven baking, I'm going to go ahead and get started on the mixture. I chose to use Spanish rice. You just pop this in the microwave for 90 seconds and that's it. I browned up some hamburger meat. I chopped up the tops of the peppers just to add. And then I also had a little bit left of an old bag of seasoning blend in the freezer. So I just went ahead and threw that in also because why not? Another level of flavor. And then I also had some leftover corn from last night. I threw that in there too. Once I get that all nice and mixed up, I'm just going to go in with a little bit of the adobo seasoning and some spaghetti sauce. Now, when you add your spaghetti sauce, it is to your liking. You're really just adding it so that it can provide a bondage for the rice and the meat and the vegetables to all stick together so it doesn't just crumble out of the pepper. So you really just add how much you like. It's to your liking, really. I don't add much, just enough to get it together. Once we get that combined, we just turn our heat down and then let it simmer for about 10 minutes just so the seasonings get well incorporated. I also fried some fish to go on the side of these bell peppers, but this video isn't about that. If you want to see my recipe on how I fry fish, please be sure to check out one of my other videos. And now that we have the bell peppers out of the oven, they are nice and tender. We're just going to go back in with the mixture that we made with the hamburger meat, Spanish rice, peppers, corn, and our spaghetti sauce. Fill these bad boys up. Toss them with some cheese. Once again, whatever you like. I prefer Colby Jack, but I'm pretty sure mozzarella, Italian, any kind of cheese would be good on these. This is what I use. So if you want yours to taste like mine, do what I do. This is what it looked like when I took them out of the oven, and this is my plate. The pepper was nice and tender. The cheese, the filling was so gooey. This was delicious. And like I said, everybody in my household loved it. My baby ate 2 of them. That is so rare. So let me know in the comments below if you all try this. Let me know how you like it. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscribe button. I would love to have you a part of the family. And as always, I will see you in the next video. And thank you for watching. Bye.